Now would you check this out? Mini crispy crabs. All right, so the first time I saw these was about 20 years ago. I was in a bar, a sushi bar in fact, and there was a bowl of these crabs just kind of running around like a mini fish bowl, like a goldfish bowl. And the chef said, "Yeah, you eat them." And I said, "No." I thought he was messing with me. He says, "Yeah, it tastes like popcorn." I said, "What?" He said, "You try?" I said, "Sure, let's try it." So he dropped them in the fryer and he served it up on some fried rice. And I mean like fried rice noodle. And a little hors d'oeuvre and make it look like, you know, it was really to be served. And he said, "Try it." And I popped it in my mouth and started crunching on it. It was fluffy, it was soft, yet crunchy, but he was right. It didn't just taste like popcorn, it had the texture of popcorn. So I saw a box of these at the Asian market today. I wanted to pick them up and try them. You can see they're already dusted here. It's not flour. They usually use potato starch for things like that. That's what we always used in the restaurant. But it'll put a nice little crispy crunch on the outside. To fry these, you want to touch the oil. Drop them in. It's always good to break them up a little bit here. That cornstarch will stick, make each crab stick to each other. 2 to 3 minutes is all it takes. Of course, it is good to flip them over. Make sure you get all sides. Should be about done. Go ahead and spider those out. Here they are. I think one thing you want to do is definitely salt them right when they come out. Just like French fries. Use a sweet chili sauce. See how it is. Let's give it a try. It's not the way I remember it. It's still good though. Has that crab, the top of the crab leg taste like at the body. So it's kind of hit and miss. Let's try another one, see if it's going to be the same. Yeah, that one tastes better to me. Maybe the other one was just off. You want to try this, wife?
Yeah, I do. They're so cute. They're just like little tiny crabs. I like that.
It's kind of like eating the sunflower seeds with the shell though, huh?
And you eat the whole thing and it tastes great. Normally, I don't like the shells, but this is good. Wow.
I think I'd prefer my calamari sauce.
Okay, I need my own plate.
Okay. There you go, guys. See you, man.